This is 2024. It's a F150, the Lariat edition with the 3.5 EcoBoost motor. We just did a nice catback dual exhaust system out to these black 4-inch roll tips straight out the back, as you can see. Tucked it up nice and tight over the axle there. Used a Flowmaster 40 muffler, the original Flowmaster 40. Did take the factory resonator off. Customer wants a little rumble out of it, not too loud. Should give it a nice bassy tone to it. Let's see what it sounds like. It up a bit. It's got a little rumble to it.